Tapos last two na lang po, no?
Ay, hello po. Miss Mars from State PH. Direct recorded. Congratulations po, Peta, in advance. As always, I'm a fan. Maybe for Jamie, no? Or Direct Maribel. Paano po nagkaroon, paano po na nabuo you decided to just stick to one lineup of cast? And it's di ba bihira po mangyari yun in a musical, semi-musical play. And maganda po ang takbo ng selling so far, and I'm sure this is gonna be, magkakaroon po tayo ng extension or rerun, and would the cast be willing to, pag nagkaroon ng demand for a rerun, sometime soon or maybe next year, would you still be willing to stick as a one cast, or magkakaroon na po tayo ng mga alternatives? Salamat po.
Kasi dahil nga tailor fit or based na based na sa interview kay Chris Martinez, based sa interviews with them, at saka dun sa archetype na represent yung pyesa. So, halimbawa, nung si Mean na yung cast doon, alam niya na artist teacher si Mean, alam niyang nag-i-intimacy coordinator si Mean. So, naka-tailor fit, let's say yun, doon sa track niya bilang character dun sa play. So, ibig sabihin, kaya ang hirap kung halimbawa may alternate si Mean. Kasi mag-iiba uli yung track, di ba? So, kaya din, kumbaga irreplaceable, di ba, si Miss Mean Espinosa. So, ganun siya. So, for practicality and given the time and also to honor din the work, talagang isang set yung napiling characters dun sa lead parts. For the rerun and other parts, it depends on the demand or the schedule or the need for it to be rerun. So, pero definitely, hopefully, doon sa 50 shows, feeling ko naman maraming shows yun. Sana po mapanood natin yung doon lang aming i-offer sa theater community. Tita Maribel?
I mean, basically, they're playing themselves, so you can't get them alternates, di ba? Unless you're double canners running around. Yeah. So, yun yung basic. That's why, and it's really gonna just be 50 shows, guys. Hindi yung parang nag-i-focus kami dito, no? Because UBS is also quite busy and everybody else is, no? So, yun talagang na-set na time. So, kung magkakaroon that's not within the year at all. We're really just set with 50.
Yes, 50. And also because ang babae ng septic tank doesn't stay in just one place, Eventually, after theater, babae sa septic tank will explore another world. So, please take advantage of ang babae sa septic tank on stage. Take advantage.
Hindi showbiz, hanggang 50 lang to. That's it, pansin.
Okay, clarification na 50 shows lang, so we will promote that. But in advance, I'd like to congratulate already Peta and the cast kasi I was very surprised at the teaser that you showed. I really didn't know what to expect. Tapos you have Gino Gonzalez pa, who hardly comes out to make theater these days. So I can imagine the sets and the costumes will be spectacular. But more than that also, I'm very interested to see how Marlon and Chris have adapted this film into theater. And I can imagine already all your pasapogs. And as a theater person myself, I don't mind your making fun of us as a community because we need to laugh more at ourselves because things are good, yes. I've gone to see so many shows in different venues from Cinepop to Power Mac to Arete to, the black box of Ateneo. And I've never seen theater so vibrant in the Philippines, And it all started with Peta, really. So the fact that you are doing this now, making fun of ourselves, is a fitting celebration of your coming 60th year. And to get Eugene involved is, I think it's going to be a big boost to the theater industry. And I wish more people like Uge join us in theater because I know there was a write-up recently on Facebook where Somebody said, why do you keep getting personalities? But they help the industry, by participating, and we all know it's difficult to do theater. We don't pay as much, and yet they sacrifice their time to promote an industry that needs it. So I congratulate you in advance, cast, staff, and PETA. It looks like it's going to be a wonderful run, and it should be sold out all the way.
Thank you so much. Yeah, before po natin i-wrap up, sorry, one question po, last. Okay, sige po, last na po talaga. Wala lang po.